Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study AP Biology. First, familiarize yourself with the College Board's course framework and the exam structure. This will guide your learning. Next, select a strong textbook and a dedicated review book. These are your primary resources. Finally, develop a consistent study schedule. Aim for at least 5 to 7 hours of focused study each week to cover all the material effectively. To master the content, engage in active reading. Don't just skim, take thorough notes and summarize each section in your own words. When you encounter difficult concepts, leverage online platforms such as Khan Academy for alternative explanations and visual aids. Consistent practice is crucial. Work through many multiple-choice questions and free response questions to solidify your understanding and improve your test-taking skills. Effective review involves using past AP Biology exams. Analyze the types of questions asked and practice managing your time under exam conditions. Consider forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others reinforces your own knowledge. Additionally, make flashcards for key vocabulary, diagrams, and complex biological processes. This active recall method is highly effective for long-term retention of information. As the exam approaches, take several full-length practice tests. This simulates the actual experience and helps you identify areas needing more attention. Prioritize your well-being, ensure you get sufficient rest, and maintain good nutrition in the days before the test. Remember, a calm mind performs best. Also, for those interested in financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Good luck with your AP Biology exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.